Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Myself Seema Tambe, and today I'm going to discuss how you get to know whether the particular acid is strong acid or the particular base is strong base. So basically how strong is the acid and base is what we are going to talk in this today's lecture. Okay, so how strong acid or base solution is. Okay, how strong the acid or base solution is. How you will get to know that whether whether particular solution is strong acid or particular solution is strong base. How you get to know? So basically you get to know the particular solution is highly acidic or particular solution is highly basic. You get to know with the help of a pH scale. Okay, you get to know with the help of pH scale. Okay, where P stands for power and H stands for concentration of H plus ions. Okay, we get to know whether the particular solution is highly acidic. We get to know whether particular solution is highly basic with the help of pH scale. Okay, so this pH scale is what the P stands for power and H basically stands for the concentration of H plus ion. So what it basically is, it's a measure of concentration of H plus ions. Okay, what basically you get to know whether the solution is strong acid or strong base with the help of what? pH. What is pH scale? It's a measure of concentration of H plus ions. Okay, fine. Now there is a scale like this. A scale is pH scale is there basically. Okay, which basically lies from 0 to 40. Okay, this is a pH scale, okay, which is from 0 to 40. Okay, if your pH value lies between 0 to 7, this is a pH scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this one is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, it's 13 and this one is 14. Okay, if pH value lies between 0 to 7, then that solution is said to be acidic. Okay, if the solution or if the pH value is 7, then that solution is said to be neutral. Okay, if the pH value lies between 7 to 14, then it is called as basic. Okay, so see, with the help of pH, we get to know that the particular solution is acid or particular solution is base or particular solution is neutral. Okay, let's just see it again. This pH scale is from 0 to 40, where 0 to 7 is basically, if the pH value lies between 0 to 7, then that solution is said to be acidic. If the pH value is at 7, you get pH value 7, then that solution is what? Neutral. If you get a pH value from 7, which lies between 7 to 40, then that particular solution is what? Basic. Okay, fine. Now also there is one important thing, like if your pH value is from 1 to say 4, okay, if you get the pH value from 1 to 4, then that solution is highly acidic. Okay, if your pH value is from 1 to 4, then you say that the particular solution is strongly acidic. Okay, if it is between what? 1 to 4, then that solution is highly acidic. If it lies between 4 to 6, then that solution is quite less acidic. Okay, if the value is between 1 to 4, then it is highly acidic. If it is between 4 to 6, then it is quite less acidic as compared to this. Okay, if it is like from 8 to 10, if your value lies between 8 to 10, then that basically is, it's basic. Okay, then that your solution is basic. But if the value is between 10 to 14, then it is like, more basic, or you can say strongly basic. This is less basic. Okay, if your pH value lies between 8 to 10, then it is less basic, and if means it is basic but it is less basic. But if your pH value lies from 10 to 14, then it is strongly basic. Okay, that means if more concentration of H plus ions, okay, what if more concentration of H plus ions, then it is more acidic. If more concentration of OH minus ions, then it is more basic. Okay, fine. So this is about the pH scale. So basically what you get to know by the pH scale, whether your solution is highly acidic, whether your solution is neutral, whether your solution is highly basic. Okay, is you get to know with the help of a pH scale. Okay, with the help of pH scale, you get to know your solution is acidic, your solution is neutral, or your solution is highly basic. Okay, how you get to know? With the help of pH scale. Okay, fine. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.